Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today we're making basil pesto. This is my extra virgin olive oil, Parmesan cheese, salt, garlic, pine nuts, basil leaves, lemon juice. So this is the blender that I'm going to use, and I started by pouring half of the olive oil with pine nuts and garlic, and I made this lovely puree. So put the basil leaves bit by bit. You don't want to jump the blender by adding everything at one go. So you blend it, pausing, stirring. You just keep blending and putting and blending and pausing. And then add the balance of the olive oil and add the Parmesan cheese as well, the salt, and half of the lemon juice. I mean, it's not much, but just a bit. So then you blend, as I said earlier, pause and stir so that everything blends evenly. We're getting there. And then finally the last bit of the lemon juice, we've added it. And then you blend, and oh my goodness, look at this lovely basil pesto. Look at that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Bye.